Hello, recruiters. Welcome to our channel all about recruitment. And the first thing I would want every one of you to do is subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss an important video coming in for you guys on weekly basis. I would introduce myself. My name is Shyam Gol, and I come with 8+ years of experience in recruitment, talent acquisition, resource management, team management, and I'm also a self-learner. I would also tell you a little bit on my personal front. I like movies, especially the superhero ones. I'm telling you this because you may find a lot of references of superpowers or kind of things in our videos. So please pardon the video or audio disturbance if in case anything comes up, since this is the first video, and we will definitely increase or improve the quality of the videos going forward. So before we move ahead with today's learning, I would like to tell you why I created this channel. I see recruitment as the must-have department in every organization. As a strong recruitment team will help you to hire the right candidates for the job, which will enable an organization to grow. B, technical and non-technical trainings on recruitment for all the folks who are new to recruitment or looking to upgrade their skills. C, stories, hacks, and tips for hiring the best talent in your organization. And D, I love learning, and the best way to learn is to share things. Okay, so without taking much of your time, I would unveil this series, which is Google Chrome extension for recruitment. Uh, there are hundreds of extensions that can help you in recruitment, but I'm going to cover just one. What this video has, I want to keep it simple and extensive for recruiters so that for some of you it would be easier to understand. So for those who aren't aware what Google Chrome extension is, don't worry, I will explain. Let me just quickly share my screen so that you can see. Okay. So basically Google Chrome extensions are the programs that can be installed into Chrome. Here, if you can see the extensions that I've installed in my Chrome. If you just disable this, you will find a plain search bar here, a long one. But the moment you start adding the Chrome extensions, you get a long list of extensions that gets immediately uh, you can immediately access it from the Google Chrome here. So it increases your browser's functionality. Adding to-do lists or notes to Chrome, password management or designing, or a lot of things can be done via Chrome extensions. Uh, Now that the definition is understood, let's dive into our first Google Chrome extension and how we can use it for recruitment. So our first extension that I am going to talk about today is called Lucia. Okay, here it is. So Lucia was created by two fun-loving individuals who wanted to make their B2B company the coolest place to work. That's what they say. Asif and Yoni. Sorry, Asaf and Yoni. These are the names of the director. Asaf is from HR tech background, wherein Yoni is the Jarvis of this organization. He takes care of technical stuff, right? And Lucia is nothing but a name of their chief knowledge officer, which also happens to be a cartoon, and also a nickname of Asaf's daughter. Lucia stays on top of your LinkedIn page once you install and into your Chrome browser. And try to reveal all the hidden information like work address, work email address, contact number, or personal email address. This doesn't work 100% of the time, but it will mostly work, which comes handier when you're trying to source passive candidates. So you see this sits on the top of your LinkedIn profile right here. The moment you click on here, on Lucia, you get work email address, you get private email address, you get number, contact number. The second one, if it all there, the organization name, uh, which organization I'm working and what does they do, uh, the number of employees that we have, what is our main industry, what are the industry tags that we have, what are the services that we do or we provide. When we were founded in 2000, where is our headquarters? And these are the social media handles of our company. We request everybody to follow our organization too. We are having some very great employee engagement practices that we do, and You can always use those one of those into your organization as well. Okay, it works on credit system. So Lucia works on credit system basically, guys, and you better use it only when necessary and when you are in truly need to connect with somebody. I usually connect with eSuite team via Lucia, and my credits get utilized in effective way. So I get connected to basically CFOs, CHROs, CEOs, or the senior technical architects, or the project manager, or the program managers, and it gets utilized in better ways. So the free, although it's free, but I think it's worth. You get 5 credits per month, and with $99, you can get up to 100 credits with 2 users, which also includes a lot more than just revealing email addresses and phone numbers. Even if you don't get an email address or phone number in Lucia, or you exhaust your free credit, this tool is still effective for market research, side-by-side comparison of organization, which can be helpful while negotiating offers with candidates, especially the recruiters, guys. You know, you have seen all the details here, right? The organization name, number, and the number of employees, the industry, when we were founded. So you can go to a side-by-side comparison while you're talking to candidates if you're negotiating with them for an offer, or if you want them to join your organization, or if they come up with an alternate offer, you can always use this tool to make a side-by-side comparison. You can download this extension via link given in the description below, or follow the steps here. Go to Google Apps. Once you open the Chrome, you will see an app tag here. Once you click on this tab, you will come to a page where you find Web Store. Web Store, once you click on Web Store, you get to go into the search option. You can menu, and in the menu, you can type Lucia. Now, Luha, okay, Luha, Lucia, and the first extension that you see here, guys, you need to install that. So the moment you click, and here it will come an option as in add to Chrome. You have to click on add to Chrome. The moment you click, it will get added to the Chrome extension. And from here at the, there is a small tab at right hand side of your Chrome, and you can just, pin them to your Chrome extension. You can pin them, unpin them. If you don't want an extension here on your Chrome, you can unpin them. If you want it to showcase on your Chrome, you have to pin them. Even if you don't pin them, it's fine. It will still appear on your LinkedIn profile. So ideally, on the home page, you will see that it's here sitting on the right side of your profile. But the moment you click on somebody's profile, let's say, we click on Vinay Brahm's profile, and let's see how things work. Okay, so this is really loading, and so this guy works with. Okay, yeah, there it is. If you want to reach Vinay, here it is. Here is the email address. You just have to click on show contacts, and boom, you get the email address here, and the organization name, what they do, how much, what are the number of their employees, which industry they are into, what are the areas they are focused into. If you want any testing resources, I think this is the right company to target. They were founded in 2009, and they have Facebook and Twitter handles too. So, guys, this is it. Also remember, when you log into Lucia, you may want to use your personal, your professional email address. You cannot use your personal one. It may not allow you. So while creating an account, use your professional account, professional email address, and you may work just fine. I would also like to connect the individuals on LinkedIn. Please feel free to share an invite. I will share the LinkedIn link below so that we can connect. With this, guys, today's tutorial, I'll end it now. and stay tuned for our next tutorial, next video, in which we'll cover another extension on recruitment. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. Stay safe.